Okay, Coach T, TackleTrading.com, and here's my thought of the day. I was talking to one of my students, and he's fairly new at trading, and he had some questions about just the basics of a candlestick. And so my thought of the day is this: learn to read the 5 data points on a candlestick. I have a chart up here in front of you called the SPY. Now, I'm on a chart for Thinkorswim, but you can have your charts anywhere. I have set my data box to floating mode. You can have it either fixed or off. You can put it wherever you want. I have it floating so it will move over the top of each candlestick as I go. Now, there are several simple data points that go into a candlestick. The date, so for example, I'm on a chart right here. It says 5/29/18, and then the OHLCR, those 5 data points. The open, the high, the low, the close, the range. Now, the open price is wherever it opens the day at. So it was at 270.31. Now, you'll notice on the very far right as well, it says 270.31. So the top of a red box is where it opened. Now, the high point is the tail of the candlestick, so it reached the highest point right here. The low is down here, where it was the 267.76. The close is where it finished the day, so it was down here at 269.02. And then the range was 3.41. So it was the total distance between the top and the bottom. OHLCR, every candlestick has those 5 data points. And the fact is they become green or red depending on the relationship between the O and the C. So if it opens at a low point like this green candle, 270.5, I should say, and closes at a high point, 272.61, then that's going to be a green candle. On a red candle, if it opens at a high point, 272.15, but closes at a low point, 270.94, it then becomes a red candle. It's true of all candlesticks. Candlesticks give you a lot of information. When you're looking at a full chart, there's a lot of back and forth and up and down and red and green and all kinds of stuff. But if you really learn to read the basics of the OHLCR, you can start to break down the candlestick charts a little bit better and understand the data in front of you, so that when you get into the more advanced stuff, you're equipped with that information. All right, Coach T, TackleTrading.com, the candlestick basics. Get in the game. Join us over at Tackle Trading.